Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix the Google Drive download error. Now if you are facing a particular error by downloading a file from the Google Drive, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you have to do is to simply open up your Google Play Store and you have to check whether the update is available or not. You have to tap on search bar and head towards Drive. Now there you'll get the option of Google Drive. From here you have to simply update it out because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app, and most probably your issue would be resolved. But if you are still encountering the issue, go back, head towards your phone settings. From the settings, scroll down a little bit and there you'll get the option of apps. Head towards that. From here you have to simply search for Drive. Once you're on the Drive information page, head towards storage and cache and clear out the storage and cache for Drive, and after that your issue will be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.